Hello everyone. If you want to streamline your network scalability and efficiency, so BGP EVPN is the game-changing solution for seamless Layer 2 and Layer 3 connectivity over your existing infrastructure. Welcome to my channel Tech Demos. So today's our topic is Ethernet EVPN. Ethernet EVPN is a standard-based BGP distributed control plane for network virtualization overlay that provide Layer 2 bridging and Layer 3 routing connectivity over IP or IP-MPLS underlay networks. BGP EVPN was initially designed to use with the MPLS data plane to address limitation of VPLS in service provider network. However, EVPN has widely adopted in a data center as a control plane mechanism for VXLAN overlay networking due to advantage in the BGP scalability and flexibility. In the VMware NSX BGP EVPN can be implemented in two distinct modes, inline mode and route server mode. Both modes enable efficient Layer 2 extension across distributed data center and provide integrated Layer 2 and Layer 3 service, but they differ in the architectural approach and control plane behavior. In the EVPN inline mode, MP BGP session with the L2 EVPN address family are configured between Tier 0 gateway and the external router. The Tier 0 gateway will negotiate the Layer 2 VPN EVPN AFI with the external BGP peer and start exchanging EVPN information. In this mode, edge nodes are in data path between internal workloads and external network. In this mode, MP BGP session with the L2 VPN address family are configured between Tier 0 gateway and external router. This one. We'll give you the demo on that. The second one is our route server mode. In the EVPN route server mode, the Tier 0 service router hosted on the edge node acts as a BGP route server, establishing BGP control plane session with the southbound VNF and external data center routers. esxi hypervisor exchange the user planned traffic directly with the data center fabric router using VXLAN absolution. Bypass the edge nodes in the data path. So this is our lab topology, where on the left if you see there is a VRF blue going to connect to the Tier 1 gateway, Tier 1 further connected to the VRF blue is further connected to the Tier 0 gateway, and the same thing for the right. And we have already configured the BGP between H1 to the Vyos router and H2 to the Vyos router. The only thing which we have to configure under the topology, we have to configure the EVPN. First, we need to configure the EVPN on the NSX side. We need to configure the EVPN on the Vyos side. We need to configure the entire VRF connectivity. So the agenda is that this blue segment can talk to the blue VLAN and the red segment can talk to the red VLAN. So this is our network details, where the things which is highlighted like a pre-configured, this is already been configured on the lab, where we have the edge esxi host, edge nodes, and all are pre-configured, and we have also established the BGP connectivity as well as. And the same thing we have configured the BGP like AS and all. What we are going to achieve under this one, we are configuring the rest, all the point which I have highlighted now, and this is which belongs to the EVPN. So let's jump to the lab. So this is our lab. Like I have explained, these are the pre-configured stuff like BGP and VXLAN or VLAN. So let me quickly show you. This is our Vyos router. So let me log in into it. Show IP BGP. So we can see the 4 pairs are up like I have highlighted in the topology, this one. So one pair is from here, another is from here, and like the same way. Okay, and let me log into NSX manager. established. So as of now, there's no EVPN routes advertised. We can see here. And let me quickly go there. Yep. So we have established the connection between these two. If you're enjoying our content, so don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the notification bell. Thank you.